Hi everyone, welcome today on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, almost weekend. Friday, December the 4th, 2020. We have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. There's also an additional in this newspaper with 8 extra Sudokus, but first we will solve these two regular Sudokus. And the first one, Sudoku Light, will be number 1968, and I will do this once in a time. I will do a speed test, so I won't say a lot, not much comments, to practice your speed. Let me do this every Friday, the first week of the first week of the month. I will do a speed test with a Sudoku Light. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, every big square has 4 digits, 4 printed digits. So 4 times 9 will be 36. Alright, so let's get started with this speed test. Alright, let's get started. 4, 4. So here we have a 4. Therefore, so this is a 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Alright, let me see. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. No 6. How about the 9? Yeah, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Let me see. 8, 8, 8, 8. 7 then. 7. Oh no, 5. 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. Difficult. 3 then. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, yes, this should be a 3. 3. 3. See the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Oh, it's incorrect. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Back to the 5, maybe 5. This is a 5, 5, 5, 5. This should be a 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Oh, why then 8? This should be the 8, 8. 8, 8. Oh, mistake. Wow. 8, 8. I don't like this. This should be an 8, 8. This should be an 8. This mistake of the 6. Ah, here we have a 6. So this is not correct. This is not correct. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This should be a 7. 7. This should be a 7. This should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 6. 6, 6, 6. This should be a 1. This should be an 8. Correction. 1 and 7 are missing. This is a 1. Oh, here I need a 1. Oh, this should be a 1. This should be a 1. This was the mistake. 1, 1. Alright, so I need a 8 here. 8, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and a 1. 1 and a 7. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow, with a mistake. 5 minutes. Yeah. Woo. Speed test. And I have no double checks, so you will make mistakes if you do this. Alright, but this is the solution. Let me check if this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. 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 8, 8, 8. 7, 7, 7. Yes. 1, 1, 1. Yeah, it's yeah, with 3 mistakes, but I have corrected in time. Yes, and I'm very pleased with this speed test. Once in a while you need to do this. So next month, first week, I will do this again with a Sudoku Light in 5 minutes. Wow, wow, wow. All right, thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again, and I will see you in a minute with a Sudoku Heavy. Bye bye for now.